This unique digital product makes over $6,000 per month. In fact, the store makes over $12,000 per month, which is around $144,000 per year. It is very original and very unique. And this is how they are doing it. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. Let me break it down. So check out my screen. You can see it's a simple drawing that is sent to you digitally. So it's a digital drawing. Now, check this out. Look, this is how much it's making, $6,598. Let me explain what this original idea is. Now, what they're doing is they send you a soulmate drawing. They do a tarot reading and they send you a soulmate drawing within the same hour. So they'll give you a drawing of who may be your future partner, maybe husband, wife, soulmate, and they'll send it to you. And that's what it is. Now, isn't that just the most left sided idea out there? And this is what I'm talking about. Digital products are not just wall arts, planners, clip arts. They are a diverse range of niches. And if you want to win on Etsy, then you need to find a niche that is untapped, low competition. That is how you win hugely. Now, let me just break this down a little bit further. Let me show you the store very quickly, because I'm honestly going to give you some real tips in this video. And in fact, I'm going to show you how to find unique digital products to inspire you and give you some ideas. So stay right to the end. So check this out. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell. And in less than 20 minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, so I'm on the store and the store is called Tarot and Reading, right? It's only got 37 listings. It's only, and they're all digital downloads. Look at them. They're all digital downloads. Just look at the bottom of them. And it's literally things like you get a same hour reading, you get something about tarot reading, questions, answers, who your future partner may be, relationships, sort of digital replies, downloads. And the one that is making the most amount of money is this soulmate drawing, right? So let's have a look. 37 listings. This store's been around for 2.5 years, and you'll be shocked about how much it's making. It's actually making approximately, let's just use EverBee, my go-to research tool. Check out EverBee. The link is below, where it gives you all the data and all the numbers so you know what's happening, what's making money, and how you can do something similar. Look at this. Estimated total revenue, $748,000. That is a bit mad. Wait, $12,414 per month. Look at the numbers here, guys. It's got 37 listings. Now, the top seller, which has a phenomenal growth rate as well, is this drawing. Now, obviously, this seller has a particular skill. So they're obviously tarot readers and they can create a drawing from the sort of readings, if you like. Most of their listings, they're all trending. Look at that. They're all green here. The top one, as I said, is making 6,598. The next one's 1,000, then 600, and 500, and 500, and so on. So this is telling me something, that this niche is totally untapped, completely low saturation, completely low competition. And there are so many niches out there, guys, that are also untapped. Right? There's so many. The problem that I find with a lot of Etsy sellers, they seem to go down the road of trying to sell the same things because they see that wall arts are selling and people are making money, then they think they can get into it. But they have to understand that these niches, there are so many people in it. Unless you get a really fantastic sub niche, which is really low competition, then it's hard to break into, especially when you got established sellers out there year on year already with the quality score, They've already made sales. That Etsy's pushing them on the first page. So actually, to move these guys off the first page and to take their place as a newbie is so hard. And this is what I try to teach people is that go into something that has less competition. And that's what I do. And that's why I always advise personalized digital products are better because it takes less listings, less time to actually start reaping the rewards. So do check out my link below if you want to join my academy, because you're not going to get into selling unless you go into something that's low competition. And this is why I wanted to show you the store, because this is a prime example. Now, I'm going to show you more evidence of this and show you how low competition it is. And this is what I want you to do. You need to do your research, guys, like properly, so you understand how to find them, right? So let me just go to listings. I'm going to go to this listing, right? Now you can see that on my screen, it tells you how much. Now using EverBee, and this is why I like EverBee, it gives you data, real data, right? I'm going to go down. Now it uses particular keywords. This seller uses particular keywords, and the keywords are going to be shown here. Look at this. Guys, look at this. This has some of the best keywords, like the most low competition keywords. Absolutely phenomenal, right? Look at this. Now, let me just explain something. These are keywords, tags that I use. So, artistic, psychic, draw my soulmate, psychic artist, soulmate drawing, right? On this side, you'll see volume. That means the amount of people that type this exact term into Etsy's search bar, right? So, for example, artistic psychic, there's 332 people that type that in every month. The competition is only 303, which is nothing, guys, on the whole scheme of things. If you know about competition and how it works, that is very low competition, and hence why the keyword score is so high. The others are also phenomenal. Draw my soulmate, 650 keyword score. Now, all of these added up allows this listing to be seen quite visibly on the Etsy platform because there's not much competition. Even the ones that has slightly more competition are still decent keyword scores. So this completely tells me that the sort of tarot reading, soulmate drawing kind of niche is perfect. Now, you might say to me, but AJ, I don't know nothing about tarot and drawing. This is not the point. I'm not showing you so you can do this. I'm showing you this so I can prove to you and show you there are niches out there that are low competition. And if you manage to find good low competition niches that you can get into and you can do, you can create something, then that's how you win on Etsy, right? If you were to go into a niche that is very saturated and there's a lot of competition, it will take you hundreds of listings just to be seen. It takes a long time, and you need to be dedicating your life to Etsy in that case, right? So if you want my advice, is do your research properly. That is the basis to selling on Etsy. Now, I'll give you an example how you can use EverBee, for example, to help you do your research. I'll just give you a few tips right now. And do make sure that you do try out EverBee. There's a free trial. The link is below. This is what you need to do. All right. It's very simple. You go on the side here. Okay. And on the side of EverBee, when you hook it up to Google Chrome or however you're going to do it, click on Product Analytics. Okay, so let me just type in digital. Actually, look, this is what you do. Type in digital, right, in the search bar, just digital. There's many different ways of doing this, by the way, and different keywords. Let's just use digital. So at least it gives us most of the digital listings, right? So we typed in digital, then go on the side, go to Product Analytics using EverBee on the side, right? It's going to pull up most of the digital related keywords. Now it says page results. I'm going to click on EverBee's whole database with the keyword digital, right? And what we'll do is it's going to pull up lots of listings, loads of listings. Some might not be relevant, but a lot will be. Okay. Then what you need to do is you need to go to growth rate, right? I mean, go to growth rate. Okay. Look at the ones that are growing at a huge rate and look at how much they're making on the side. For example, you got this 1 month old listing. I'll give you an example. And it doesn't matter what it is, guys, but this is the process. You type in digital, and I type in many different things. I might say digital download, I might say download, I might say PNG, I might say PDF. I'll type in different things that are related to digital downloads, right? I'll type that into EverBee. Then what I will do is I will go and sift. Now, not everything is going to be relatable or relate to what, will make sense. So you have to sift. So I like to go to growth rate and see what's trending massively. Now, look at this. I'll give you an example. This listing right now I'm looking at is trending at a rate of 3,100%. It's only a 1 month old listing. I would probably go and see also how old the shop is, because if the shop is quite young, like a recent shop, that's even better. So let me just click on this one just to show you this, because this one's making $385 and it's going up at a rate of 3,000%, which is massive. So it's obviously something that people want right now, because remember, it's about timing. Okay, so let's have a look at this. I'm going to just click it and just touch on it just to show you. Okay, so I've just clicked on it. It's making $385. And I'm going to go and click on the listing. So let's check it out. Now, look, I'm looking at it right now. Obviously, I would do a lot more research, guys. This is just a tip of the iceberg, just to give you a flavor of the kind of thing that I would do. But I'll do a lot more, because I need to also check out the store itself and so on. But this is a birthday anniversary poster gift. And what it is a newspaper style that's actually a Canva template where you literally just drag and drop images, okay, in a newspaper style personalized birthday. Now, the keyword being personalized, right? That means the seller can personalize this themselves. That means they can add their own images. And I keep saying, guys, that the personalized niche is literally at the moment the best niche to get into, because people love personalization. People like custom. People like individual designs or individual digital products. It's just the way it is, and it will always win on Etsy. So, like I said, if you're interested in that, do check out my link on my academy. But this is just a flavor to show you something that's literally working in 1 month, of making over $300. Got 20 plus in a basket, 50% bestseller. There you go. It works, right? It works. And there's a lot of people that are selling digital products and they're not even getting any interaction, no views, nothing. And it's been up there for 6 months. So it's about, guys, doing your research. Your research is the benchmark. That is the basis to selling on Etsy. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.